This conference will now be recorded.
Which I already updated the content name material. Right, in that material folder, I mentioned GL material, new GL configuration material, and bank material. Right, so take a copy printout for the next session. These three pouches, these three are related to general ledger material. These are related to general ledger material. First, let me check general ledger. So I mentioned here enterprise structure definition. In the material, I clearly mention step-by-step format. Like first, define company. Second, edit, copy, delete. Right. Third one, so maintain financial management area, functional area, segment. So the same pattern which we learn in the class. Now let me check one by one. First, so tell me one company name. First is yours. What I do, I just guide you how to create that company. It's a service organization. So better we follow manufacturing related. So manufacturing services, both the things which we. Any nature of industry. Already there. It's already implemented. It won't allow for one more time. Toyota. Okay. Fine. First, I fill the page. Then we see the thing practical. First, Toyota. I chose a TO00. Company name. Toyota Limited. Clear? What's the first one? Define company. Heading. Define company. Explains. Naming the company. Under. Naming the company under Registered Companies Act. Under Registered Companies Act. Path. P-A-T-H. Path. Path. P-A-T-H. Observe. I mentioned here path. Why we choose path? Path which explains that derive the nature. That derive the nature. Right? So mention SPRO in transaction bar. Click on SAP. Reference IMZ icon. Enterprise structure. Definition. Financial accounting. Define company. Define company. Now see the one. So this is transaction bar. Before that, note. NOT, note. Various menu applications. Slash N. I mean, sorry, first menu bar. transaction bar, shortcut key bar, function or application or favorites bar. Function or application or favorites bar and status bar and status bar. First, everyone see on the board. First, menu bar. In menu bar, what all the various menu applications like menu, edit, favorites, extras, system, help. This is menu bar. Transaction bar to enter the various transaction codes like shortcut codes. Quickly open the page. Next to transaction bar, this is shortcut key bar. Shortcut key and in bracket mention shortcut key easy access bar. Shortcut key easy access. Observe under easy access shortcut key and easy access. Both are in same line. Shortcut key and easy access. I repeat, menu bar, transaction bar, shortcut key bar, easy access bar. Favorites comes under function or application. Favorites comes under function or application. The bottom line, this is status bar. This is status bar. I repeat, menu bar, transaction bar, shortcut key bar, easy access bar, favorites function or application bar, status bar. Clear? Now, along with one more, operators. What is that? Operators. In SAP, we have 4 different type of operators are there. First, /n. Home page. /o. Generate a new session. /nend. Exit session with confirmation. Fourth one. Make note of this. /n homepage. /o generate a new session. /n exit session with confirmation. /n exit session without any confirmation. Without any confirmation. What are the 4 different operators? /n homepage. /o generate new session. /nend exit session with confirmation. /nex without any confirmation. Without any confirmation. Now let me understand where we use these operators. Where we use these operators. First, observe in transaction bar /n. What is /n? Home page. Observe, this is home page. This is home page. /wo. Sir, which I mentioned caps lock or small letter. System access both the things. No worry for that. /o. What is /o? Generate new session or open new session. Observe, generate. One more page open. Clear? Third one, /nend. What's that? /nend. Exit session with confirmation. For example, in WordPad, if I mention some data, if I try to close, it asks you or hit a pop-up window, unsaved data will be lost. Do you want to log off? If we say yes, data save and close. If we say no, unsave and unclose, right? Like whenever we use operator /nend, it hit a pop-up window. Unsaved data will be lost. Do you want to log off? If we say yes, save and close. If we say no, unsave and unclose. Here I click on no, unsave and unclose. What's the fourth operator? /n end. Remember how many pages we open? 2 pages, right? Here I use operator /n end. What is the /n end? Exit session without any confirmation. Sorry, fourth one /n ex, right? Ex. Do you get any pop-up window? In third phase, we get pop-up window, either yes or no. But in fourth operator /n ex, without getting any confirmation of pop-up window, entire session got lapped. Observe. Not only the particular page. How many pages you open? 2 pages. Without getting any confirmation or pop-up window or any information, entire session got lapped. Clear? So that in real time, we never use operator /n ex. We have 4 different operators. What are those? /n home page, /o generate new session, /n end exit session with confirmation. But in real time, we never use operator /n ex exit session without any confirmation. Without any confirmation. Right? So now I relog in the page. Along with this, especially in education system, majority of people they are facing the data locked by user. What's that? Heading. Data locked by user. Transaction code. SM12. What is SM12? Delete locked entries. Delete locked entries. Here, username, star symbol. Click on list icon. Click on select all icon. Click on delete icon. Close application. What's that? Data locked by user. Sir, why we are facing this issue? So for example, I open chart of account page. Like in the batch 10 people are there, so every student maybe they try to open the same page because already the page accessed. At the time who the people log in second time, for the second person he get data locked by user. Data locked by user. Observe, 10 students, 10 different usernames, but in backend Unix server, because server is a centralized system. So even my data or your data, every student data stores in a single server. If I already open the page, someone open the same page, that time you people are facing this issue. But in real time, we never face this issue because my roles and responsibilities different, his roles different, his roles different, ma'am roles different. So differ. Project is same project, server is same server, but roles may vary person to person based on their designation. Based on their designation. So in that case, in real time, we never face this issue. Only for education student people only face this issue. Now let me check this thing practical. Right. First, complete the task. Username, star symbol. Sir, why you mention star symbol? Star means in bracket mention all users. Star means all users. I'm not sure which user logged that page. Right? I mentioned star symbol. And click on list icon. Whenever I click on list, system shows entire lockout data. Entire lockout data. So what I do? Select all and delete icon. Guys, don't think of we are not going to delete any data. We are going to delete locked line items. We are going to delete locked line items. Then I'm able to access the page. I'm able to access the page. Now let me check this thing practical. Right. So for example, I've opened OBY6 global parameter for company code. The page open. Again, I've opened the same page. Observe, the data is locked by user. Maybe some X user, Y user, SAP user, anything. What it says, the data is locked by user and can be displayed because someone already opened the same page. If I try to open, system says, do you want to display locked data? If I say yes, only view document. If I say no, close the document. In this case, for example, I click on yes. Observe, the same page opened 2 times. So this is the primary page. This is the locked data. Then I want to unlock this data. I want to unlock this data. So how to unlock? I choose operator /o. What is /o? Open new page or generate new session. What is the transaction code? SM12. What is the transaction code? SM12. Observe. Client. What's the client number? 800. What's the client number? 800. Username, star symbol. Username, guys, don't enter str. Star, mention star symbol. And click on list. Click on list. Here it shows the list of locked line items. Observe. What I will do? Click on select all icon. Here, select all, 2 different places. This is select all icon, or here also select all. Select all. And what I do? Delete. Delete. Click on yes. Close. Now recheck the page. Opening the. So before it shows the data locked by user. Right? Now, once we unlock, that the page open directly. So for example, 0110, the page open. And in other page, I open 0100, the page open. Every time I open 2 different pages. Clear? So In education system only you people face this. In real time, never face this issue. Never face this issue. And second one. So here, look appearance template. What's that? Look appearance template. So version we're using, how to check the property. Heading GUI browser. GUI browser. What is the full form of GUI?
GUI, sir.
GUI, graphic user interface. The full form of GUI is graphic user interface. Observe in the page, click on this circle icon. Double circle is the right. This is nothing but configuration. Everyone say on the board, double circle, nothing but configuration. GUI configuration. Right. Click on SAP GUI setting or configuration icon. GUI settings or configuration icon. Now, where it is located, before log off icon is there. Click on options. Click on options. So the page open like this. The page open like this. Here, select theme. Quadge theme. What's the theme name? Quadge theme. So do you have any other themes? Yes. Observe. These are the SAP standard themes, but in real time, we always use Quadge theme. What's that? Quadge theme. Now, whatever you see the look, this is a Quadge theme. And, sir, I want to change font size also because font is very small. I want to change the, I want to increase the font size. First, click on apply. Click on apply. Click on font setting. Click on font setting. Observe which says now 12. I want to increase. How to increase? 14. Right? How to increase? Select this one. Now, which one you need? I need 14. Sir, 12 is enough for me. Go ahead. If you want to change, then you can change. And apply. And apply. Along with this, we activate one hidden property also. Like here, interactive design. So, Randy. Next step. Select interaction design. In that, select visualization 1. So visualization 1. In that, showcase within drop down list. Select showcase within drop down list. Within drop down list. And second one, select sort by case. within drop down list for more efficient keyboard input. Basically, whenever the team installs GUI in your system, these two are inactive. These two are inactive. So, sir, why we activate these two? Why we activate these two? These two are hidden things in a SAP application. I just show why we activate. Afterwards, click on apply. Click on apply and OK. Right, sir? Font changed, not changed. So before it shows 12, now also it shows 12. Very good. Now, how to open new page? Slash O. What is slash O? Generate new session. Check now. Increased. So this is 12 font. This is 14 font. Now, sir, just now we activated two different tick marks. Visualization one. So for example, see here FB50. In FB50, observe debit or credit is there, right? It shows hidden indicators. H credit, yes debit. So whenever under visualization you untick those two parameter, it never shows H and S. So these two are the primary key to import the transaction data. To import the transaction data. For that, as a consultant initial before configuration, so we used to activate these two parameter. These two parameter. Clear? So before define company, so these are the steps. What are the things? First of all, shortcut keys, operators, afterwards GUI settings. GUI settings. Then, sir, Toyota India. What's that? Toyota India. What's the Indian currency? INR. In India, what's the postal code length? What all the date format? What all the currency format? What all the tax procedure? Can system know anything? System is an empty Excel. It's an open page. It's an empty page, right? Before define company, we used to activate country and currency parameters. What's that? Country and currency parameter. Heading. Define country and currency parameter. That define country and currency parameter. First, in that first one, define countries in my SAP system. That define countries in my SAP system. Transaction code. OY01. OY01. See here. OY01. So these codes are standard transaction codes. These are standard transaction codes. So where we enter OY01? In transaction bar. In transaction bar. Observe the page open like this. How many countries we have? Globally, 236 countries are there. How many countries globally? 236 countries are there. Click on position, continuation, finding. Click on position. Country. What's the country? IN. What's the country? IN. Enter. Observe. IN means India. IN means India. Double click on the line. Double click on the line. Observe. Name India. So these are the standard parameter. Here we used to check heading procedure tax INN. రాసుకోండి. Tax procedure tax INN. What's the Indian tax procedure? Tax INN. And select print country name. What is the meaning of print country name? For every report, it says, it shows country name, country wise report. And in India, what's the date format? DDMMYY. Date, month, year. Observe. Date format dd.mm.yyyy. రాసుకోండి. Make a note of date format dd.mm.yyyy. Next. Decimal format. What is decimal? For example, in our Indian rupee, we mention 100.00. But which format it shows? 1.234.567, comma 89. Comma, basically they mention US characteristic. Now, how to change to our Indian currency value? 0.89. Right? So, decimal format 1, comma 234, comma 567.89. This is our Indian format. Remember, before start of configuration, we used to change this, we used to check the settings. If already activated, ignore, no worries, don't change. If not, if any mistake, change the property. Save. Save. So, whenever I click on save icon, system shows this pop-up window like request number, short description. So what's the importance of this request number? I enter some data in my laptop. I create one folder, the data stores in folder. But SAP is a server. Even in server 2, we create one folder. Whenever we save the data related to Toyota, the data stores in a particular folder. In this pop-up window, click on create request icon. Click on create request icon. This is one-time activity. This window is one-time activity. Click on create request icon. Short description. What's the company? Toyota Limited. What's the short description? Toyota Limited. And the other properties are standard properties. The other properties are standard properties. Enter. Now, short description, request number. Remember guys, this is my system request number. While your practice may vary system to system. Don't think of for every system shows the same number. So this is my system request number. While you saving the data, it shows a different number, right? And while saving the data, we will check the data stores in our company folder or not. Our company folder is Toyota Limited. Enter. Toyota Limited. Now check the status bar. What it says? Data was saved. Data was saved. Right? Now, this is the first property. Second one, specify countries in my SAP system. Transaction code OY07. What's the transaction code? OY07. Enter. Click on position. Country IN. Double click on the line. Double click on the line. Observe. Select net discount base. Select net discount base. Select net tax base. Sir, what is the net discount base? What is the net tax base? Observe. We are in country page. So country wise, we used to calculate taxes. Country wise, we used to calculate taxes. So net tax base. So then in country level, why they maintain discount? For example, I said my sale value is 100. In that I provide 10% discount. What's the net sale value? 90. In that 90, I used to pay tax or I used to calculate tax. Right? So means if you untick net discount base, system treat like 100 rupee is the value. In that 100 rupee, they apply taxes, they apply discount. But that is wrong calculation. So if it is discount base, for first what we do, 100 rupees the base value minus the discount 10 rupee. What's the net value? 90 rupee. In that 90 rupee, either we apply 5% or 12% or 18% or 20% tax. So that at country level, we authorize net discount base, net tax base. Whenever we put net discount base or whenever we activate or hit net discount base, system first check the discount configuration, if any discount applicable or not. If it is discount, after discount, system calculate tax. If not, directly apply taxes. Directly apply taxes. For that, in the page, we activate net discount base, net tax base. So 99% of people, they did mistake in this page. They configure discounts, right? System while posting of transaction, system shows discount line item. At the same time, system calculate taxes on base value. System calculate tax on base value. They keep on searching tax configuration. They keep on searching discount configuration. So no need to search. Why? Because if tax working properly, then tax compile the line item. In that shows tax line item is there. Already discount affected, discount reduced. Both configurations are working fine, but mismatching the value. So in this, so whenever you activate net discount base, system check discounts. After discount, system calculate the tax. If non-discount base, system calculate tax straight away. In SAP, the tick marks are very, very important. The tick mark plays a key role in the application. The particular tick mark plays a key role in the application. Clear? For that, the initial phase, we activate this component. What are the two components active here? Net discount base, net tax base. Right? This example. First, gross sales. 1 lakh. Gross sales is equal to 1 lakh. Minus, next line Roscoe, minus discount at 10 percentage. How much value? 1 lakh into 10 percentage, 10,000. So mention minus 10,000. Minus 10,000. Like this. See here. See on the board. First, gross sales 1 lakh. Less discount at 10 percentage. Minus 10,000. Net sales 90,000. In that, tax at 5 percentage. So how much value? 4,500. In this 4,500, what are the two components? So CGST, how much value? 2,250. SGST, 2,250. 2,250. Clear? So this is the concept. So whenever you put net discount base, the output is this. If you forgot to activate net discount base, so straight away 10,000 into 5 percentage. 10,000 into 5 percentage. సో జస్ట్ అజ్యూమ్ ఒక చిన్న టిక్ మార్క్ కి అంత వాల్యూ ఉంది ఎస్ఐపిలో. సో థర్డ్ వన్ సెట్ కంట్రీ స్పెసిఫిక్ చెక్స్. ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కోడ్ OY17. OY17. Click on position.
The transaction code is OY107.
OY17. I repeat, OY number 17. So click on position. The country IN. Enter. Observe. Double click on India. Double click on India. So first, postal code length. In India, how many characteristics we have? 6 characteristics, right? Postal code length 6. Bank number length 15. Sir, what's the meaning of bank number length? Bank account number. How many characteristics? 15 characteristics. 15 characteristics. And length of bank key. What is length of bank key? Observe, bank account number is different, CRN number is different. For net banking, we use CRN, customer relation number, right? Length of bank key, nothing but CRN number. Mention length of bank key or CRN number. 11. What are the three properties we activate here? Postal code length 6, bank number length 15, length of bank key 11. So these are the basic settings to create a company. So tomorrow class, I will guide you how to create a parent company and subsidiary company. If not, if you mention country IN, it says country not created, currency not created, region not created. So while configuration, we get those errors. So these are these three, and one more is there. Next one, mention insert regions. The fourth one, insert regions. Checking rules, whenever you save, system automatically pick. Like say for example, postal code length 6. In checking rule 4, length to be kept exactly numerical. In India, there is no alphanumeric. In US, they maintain alphabetic and numeric is there. That's, and in US, alphabetic, numeric with special character. So there they mention the special rule, system automatically pick the country level. So whenever you enter postal code length 6, bank number length 15, length of bank key 11, system automatically pick the check rule. Automatically pick the check rule. Or if you mention, if you choose manually also, no worry. The same one will apply. What's the fourth one? Insert region. Insert region. So tomorrow class, so how to create regions? What are the various regions in India? So tomorrow we will create that component. Clear? I said my company located in Hyderabad. Very good. Hyderabad comes under which region? Telangana. Where we create Telangana? Under region we create, then system able to pick the value. Able to pick the value. So tomorrow we will discuss that scenario. Right? Now, questions please. Don't forget, for tomorrow's session, everyone take a copy printout. What are the three materials here? So GL material, new GL configuration, and bank material. Clear? Printout. So instead of running notes, you just fill up the blanks. Fill up the blanks. And in this case, never miss the sequence. So we have to learn the same sequence pattern. That's. Yes, Ashish, Basha, Probir Rai. Any questions, please?